Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. In today's video, I will share with you how we can use our leftover food into a new recipe. So here I have my chicken curry which I made last night, but because we are not going to use the chicken curry, so I'm going to make cutlets out of it. So first we need to shred the chicken in a bowl like that, and we also need some boiled potatoes which we will mash, and then some spring onions and some coriander which we will finely chop. Next, I will mash all my boiled potatoes. I boil my potatoes in the Ninja cooker on the pressure cooker mode, so they are very soft. All I'm doing is just pressing my fork on the potatoes and they are easily mashing out. So yeah, Ninja cooker is a great piece to have in your kitchen. It's gonna help so much. After I mash all the potatoes, I'm going to add that in the chicken. I didn't crush the chicken in a blender because it was already cooked. So all I did is just mash it with my fork, and it was easily cut into small pieces, or you can just shred it out. So, and then I also added all these spring onions and the coriander into it. And now we will season it with some pepper, some black pepper, also a little cumin powder and the salt. Also 1 small teaspoon of corn flour. Now we will mix everything together. After mixing everything well, we will put our mixture out for rest for about 10 minutes. Then just put some water in your hand and take a small portion from the mixture and start making some cakes. The reason why we put some water in our hands is so our mixture shouldn't stick onto our hands. And our cutlets will look something like that. So how we do is, like, you just take a little portion in your hand and make it into a small ball, and then press it down with the palm or the fingers of your hand into a flat cake, and it will look something like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all the cakes out of this mixture, and then we will show you the next step. So here all our cutlets are done. Now the next step is we're going to take 1 egg in a bowl, and we will also season this egg. So I'm going to add a little salt, just a tiny bit, not too much, and black pepper. And then we mix it out. And then next heat the oil in a pan, and here we take 1 cutlet and we dip it in the egg and gonna start frying them out. So here what we need to do is just take 1 cutlet, dip it in the egg and fry them. And after 2 or 3 minutes, just turn your cutlets so they get cooked on the other side as well. That way I just made all the cutlets out, and this is how they look. It was very quick and easy recipe, and we also didn't waste our food, and we got to make a new recipe out of it. I hope you like these cutlets. Try them out and let me know. Today it was also our plan to go and watch the movie. My kids really wanted to watch The Wicked too, so I promised them yes that I will take them. They watched the first part last year and they were eagerly waiting for the part 2, so I promised them that I will bring to watch them the next part. And yes, that was an amazing movie. It was funny, but it was very emotional. The first part was different, and this part was like more emotional actually. Have any of you watched this movie, and what are your thoughts on it? Just share in the comments. So that was the time to go home, and we were driving out from the mall with these beautiful lights. They just look so amazing. And it's time to end the vlog. I really hope that you liked today's video. Let me know in the comment section, and please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.